Ginsberg's casket. It was then taken outside to the portico at the top of the Supreme Court steps. You see it right there. I was talking about this image a moment ago. It's going to remain there for the next 2 days, and you can stop by until 10 o'clock tonight and then again tomorrow from 9 a.m. until 10 p.m. And right now, I want to get to our own Delia Gonzalez, who's on the ground there outside of the Supreme Court. Delia, what have people been telling you? What are you seeing out there at this moment?
So it's certainly a somber day of remembrance here at the side of the Supreme Court of the United States. The flag's at half-staff, and as you mentioned, the flag-draped coffin of the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg now sits atop the iconic steps of the courthouse underneath the portico, and scrawled in that building the iconic words, "Equal justice under law." The folks that I spoke to today say indeed they are here to pay respects to a woman they considered a change agent and a committed servant for equal rights. Folks gather here since early this morning to pay their respects, and I have to say the crowd out here to mark this historic day is very impressive and quite expansive. We're talking not only members of the local, national, and international media, but residents from all around the country. I spoke to just a handful of folks who were waiting in line earlier today, and here's what they had to say. RBG is my hero. I mean, she represents all women and women's rights, and I wouldn't want to be anywhere else but here to pay my respects.
I think that we all learned through her example to be who you are and believe, stand up for what you believe in and not be afraid, regardless of what the results might be. She took a lot of risks in her life and she was not afraid.
I think my daughter put it best this morning. She's 5, and she said, "It is not okay to treat someone unfairly." And I think that's the message that I take away from it, that this inherent prejudice that we have, and she taught us to fight it, and that's what we strive to do every day.
And as that mom said, we as mothers are here for our daughters, our sons, and really everyone is here for future generations. They say they hope that her legacy lives on through the coming generations. Now, just a short time ago, immigrant advocates staged a very brief but poignant rally. They're calling it a No Trump nominee rally. They literally just walked down here on First Street outside of the courthouse, banging a drum, holding on to white roses. They came, made their statement, and they filed out. Now, we are expecting, in regards to folks coming to pay their respects, thousands of people over the next couple of days. And as you mentioned, Zoe, the late justice will lie in repose here at the Supreme Court until 10 o'clock tonight, again tomorrow from 9 a.m. until 10 p.m. And then on Friday, the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg will lie in state at the U.S. Capitol. Zoe, back to you.
Yeah.